Today, let's unlock the magic of Python, one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages. First, we'll make Python talk to us with the classic print, "Hello World." This tells Python to show a message on the screen. To run it, open a text editor, type the code, save it as hello.py, and in your terminal, type python hello.py. That's it. You've just created your first Python program. Now let's make Python interactive. Use input to ask the user's name, store it in a variable, and respond with printf, hello, name. Here, the F in front of the string is like adding magic to combine text and variables. Try it. Type in your name and let Python greet you personally. Python's superpower is handling data. Variables store information, like your name, age, or even feelings. For example, name equals Thorin, age equals 25, and is learning equals true. You can even check what type of data it is with type. It's like Python labeling everything for you. Numbers are integers, text is a string, and so on. Next, let's teach Python to make decisions. For instance, ask someone's age with input and use an if statement. If they're 18 or older, print, "You're an adult." Otherwise, print, "You're a minor." It's like giving Python its own brain to react to information. Ever wanted your program to do something repeatedly? That's where loops shine. A for loop can count numbers, and a while loop keeps going until a condition is false. For example, you can print numbers from 1 to 5 with just 2 lines of code. Functions are Python's reusable recipes. Imagine baking a cake. You define the recipe once and you can bake as many cakes as you want. In Python, use def to create a function. For instance, def greet name, return fef, hello, name, give it a name, and call it whenever needed. Let's get organized. Python lists can hold items like a shopping list. Apples, bananas, cherries. You can add items, remove them, or change them. Tuples, on the other hand, are like sealed boxes. You can't change their contents after defining them. Dictionaries take it up a notch. They let you store data in pairs, like a contact card. Hlashtraja name, Thorin, age, 25. You can quickly retrieve details using keys like username. Think of it as Python's way of organizing info into a mini database. Python also lets you save your genius ideas. Use with openfile.txt(w) to create and write to a file. Then use with openfile.txt(r) to read it back. It's as simple as writing notes in a diary and flipping back to read them. Want extra powers? Python libraries are like toolkits for special tasks. Import the math library to calculate a square root, or use random for fun stuff like generating lottery numbers. Libraries save time and make Python even smarter. Here's the fun part: object-oriented programming. Think of it as creating blueprints for real-world objects. Define a person class with attributes like name and age, and then create an object like Thorin based on that blueprint. Take it further with inheritance. Make a student class that learns Python, and don't forget encapsulation, which hides sensitive data like a bank account balance. OP is like playing with Lego blocks. You build anything, piece by piece. Python is your gateway to the digital world. It's simple, fun, and powerful. Start coding, create something amazing. And don't forget to share your journey. Python is waiting for you. So what are you creating today?